Hello and welcome back. My name is Jason Turley, and today we are continuing on with our Bandit OverTheWire wargame series. Last episode, we covered levels 0 to 3. We learned how to use SSH, and we learned basic commands like cat, file, and ls. Starting off, we'll be doing level 4. The password for this level is stored in the only human readable file in the in here directory. So let's go on over here. Let's cat out our cred file from last time just so we can get the password. Hit up on my arrow key to navigate through the command history. SSH bandit 4 at Bandit Labs. Copy, paste, enter. Control L to clear the screen, give myself a little more room to work with. ls, cd to change into the in here directory. ls again. And I get 10 files. They all have a hyphen in them. So I want to print out what they are, right? What kind of files are these? The challenge says the only human readable file. So /hyphen, just like before, file, and then I'm just going to do star. And that's going to give me anything. Star matches anything. So it's going to give me 0 through 9. And we see that the majority of these are data files. Only one is ASCII text. And as a reminder, ASCII text just means human readable, ones, zeros, A, B, C, Ds. It's not going to be like a data file. Data, so I can cat out file, 08. And it's just going to be a bunch of garbage, a bunch of stuff I don't understand, only for the computer to interpret. So if I do file 7, it'll give me the password. Copy, exit, clear screen, open up my little cred file, bandit 5, copy, paste, save and quit. Nice. Go on to the next one, level 5. The password for the next level is stored in a file in the in here directory and has all of these properties. It has to be human readable. It has to be this large, 1033 bytes, and it can't be executable. So in Linux, there's 3 file permissions that you can view with ls-tech-l. Let's just look at permissions for creds. Read, write, and then there's a blank space. So I can read my file, I can write it, but I can't execute it. Execute would be for like a script, like a bash script, Python, C, whatever. So it can't be executable. A good command to find all these attributes is just the find command. So I can look up Linux in my browser, Linux man find. Click on the first page, give me the documentation, the how-to guide, find, search files in a directory hierarchy. Searches the directory tree rooted at each given file name by evaluating the given expression from left to right according to the rules of precedence. Blah, blah, blah. Security. No one cares about security. I'm going to use Control F. One of the keywords is readable. And there's a command option called literally just tac readable. So let's add that. Let's log in real quick. Bandit 5. Cool. ls, cd, in here, ls again, and I get a bunch of files. Yeah, I don't want to look through these one by one, right? So let me use the find command, dot for current directory, and add tac readable. Go back here. We know we want something for this file size. So I can do tac size n, where n is a unit of space, b for bytes, and then c for bytes. So I can say tac size 1033 bytes. And lastly, what was the other one? Not executable. Let me do tac executable. See what that gives me. Matches files which are executable and directories which are searchable. So awesome. So we want something that is not executable. So we can do backslash, exclamation point, and tac executable. Cool. So we only get one file back, right? Copy it, run the file command on it just to be safe. And it says that it's ASCII text with very long lines. So I can cat it out, and I get the password. Copy it, exit, clear my screen, open up my little CRUD file, Bandit 6, there's their password, save and quit. Now we can move on to level 7. I think I skipped one. Level 6. The password for the next level is stored somewhere on this server. That's all in bold and has all of these properties. It has to be owned by the user Bandit 7, owned by group Bandit 6, and it has to be 33 bytes in size. Okay, well we already know the size argument, so let's log in. Up in our command history, change Bandit 5 to Bandit 6. Copy, paste in the password, clear the screen, ls A. Alright, there's nothing really in here. So somewhere on the server, right? So ls slash, that's going to give me the root directory, right? This is where everything starts. These are all the files on my computer. Maybe visually I can do ls tac L and then slash. Right, these are all the directories where everything will start at. My home folder, you see home, ls/home. You can see all the bandits, right? All the users that we've been logging into throughout this game. So I can do find slash, just start at the root, the very beginning. Text size is 33 bytes. And then what else do we need? No, get back there. Yeah, stop. Owned by user, Bandit 7. Owned by group, Bandit 6. So go back here. I can just search for tac user. Is that a thing? File is owned by user. And I'm sure there's one for group as well. Yeah, file belongs to this group. So I can say, let's double check. So tac user, Bandit 7, and tac group, Bandit 6. Tac user, Bandit 7, and then tac group, Bandit 6. Hit enter, and I get a crap ton of permission denied errors. That's because I'm the Bandit 6 user. I can do who am I to confirm that. I can run ID, identification, and it tells me what I have access to. Like, these are the groups I'm in. Here's my ID. And I'm getting all these permission denied errors because a file like this, ls tac L, copy paste it, I can't look at it. Why? Go up one. It's owned by root. Root is the user in the group, so a low-level user like me, I can't look into it. So all those errors, permission denied, are annoying. So up in my command history, I can add 2 caret slash dev slash null. So that's going to take all those errors. That's what 2 means. 2 means standard error, right? 1 means input or output. That's what prints to the screen. And then 0 means input. That's everything I type in. So this will get rid of all those permission denied errors and should just give me back one file, the file that matches all these criteria. Yep, and there it is. And print it out. Cat. And there we get our password. Copy, exit, open up our little cred file, Bandit 7, and their password. Save and quit. Clear my screen. And we made some good progress today. I think we'll end it there. I don't know why that thing keeps following me around. Thank you. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know in the comments if you found a different way to solve any of these problems. Take care and see you next time.